In Tanzania, many people are unemployed and can benefit from making money online. One of the best ways to do so without requiring any initial investment or capital is through freelancing. Freelancing platforms serve as marketplaces where individuals can sell their skills to business owners and potential clients. The services that can be offered include social media management, content writing, video editing, content creation, image editing, and more. Additionally, freelancers can produce intros, convert PDF files to Word documents, provide voiceovers, and offer various other services. Overall, freelancing is a great way to utilize one's skills and earn money online, and it is relatively easy to get started. By exploring these opportunities, individuals in Tanzania can take the first step towards financial independence and a more secure future.